Hey everybody, hope everyone's doing well. This is Anish back at you. And so today I am really happy to show the end of week six's demo. Unfortunately, like I predicted, the model that I was training to essentially create from a prompt a 1 minute video where I am presenting with machine learning, where I was hoping to train a model, specifically animate diff, which underneath works on stable diffusion, and then fine tune on LoRa weights, which I have talked about through this entire week. That training did not go well. I didn't get really good results, and I'm guessing it's probably because I don't have enough data. But it does seem that when you fine tune such models, you don't need millions of data points. And I thought I had enough number of frames, but maybe they were not diverse enough. And so for this week, I am concluding with a demo of DID. And so you can see here that I have my images from DID, which is an API that I'm going to be using to generate the avatar. And Polly is going to help talk the particular text with the help of avatar. And so let me actually do a short demo for this. So here you can see that this is the image that I have, and this is an image that I took of myself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to first upload this image, and so this is the upload avatar. And I'm sorry, I'm saving it as anish.jpg. And so you can see here that it gets uploaded to DID. It actually DID puts it in an S3 bucket itself. So they use AWS in the back and also. And you can see here that a JSON file is actually generated for this particular outcome. So AI video generator with in the temp directory, you can see that an avatar info is generated for this particular avatar, and then it has all the different metadata associated with it. So this is the DID URL, and it just takes the data and puts it up there. And the key thing is we need this image ID. So I have actually made this dynamic, so it does pick from DID automatically. And then what I'm going to do is I'm using a neural voice that exists on Poly, which is going to convert the text to speech. So let me again define the flow. What is going to happen is I'm going to give a prompt. Let's say a niche, teach me about LLMs. Okay. So what's going to happen is the very first thing is this is going to hit the Claude 3.7 API without any DID or anything, and it's a bedrock, and it's going to get the text from there. So the AI content is going to generate. I never wondered how ChatGPT works, and it comes up with a 1 minute video. And then comes the avatar with my own avatar that is going to generate with my a little bit of gestures, lip sync, and ultimately Polly is going to convert and put the speech back. Okay, so here you can see that the outcome is saved locally. It's also saved on the cloud, and ultimately I didn't do the front end because that's probably the easiest part, because then it just fetches it from this URL and displays it. And you can see here that it's a signed URL, or not. This is not a signed URL, but it actually has the DID access keys. These are not my access keys. And so you can see here that inside the videos. Ever wondered how ChatGPT works? LLMs, or large language models, are the AI powerhouses revolutionizing how we interact with computers through natural language. LLMs are neural networks trained on massive text datasets, trillions of words, allowing them to recognize patterns and generate human-like responses. Additionally, they work through a process called transformer architecture, which helps them understand context and relationships between words and sentences. Additionally, while powerful, LLMs have limitations. They can hallucinate facts, lack true understanding,
and reflect biases present in their training data. From chatbots to content creation, LLMs are transforming industries. Understanding their capabilities and limitations is key to using them effectively.
All right. So you can see here that the video got generated, and this is how the video looks like. And we can give it any type of prompt. And so you can see what happened in the back end with my own face teaching this. And so that was my goal for week 6. And I feel like I've achieved it. Now, the built in avatars look much better.
Ever
For
wondered how
example,
companies manage thousands
this
of
is still the
applications
male
seamlessly?
voice.
Enter Kubernetes, the powerful container orchestration platform that's revolutionizing how we deploy software. Kubernetes automates the deployment and scaling of containerized applications. Think of it as an intelligent manager that ensures your applications are always running as expected.
So hopefully you get the idea. The reason my face is a little tilted is I had to get it in the portrait mode correctly for my avatar to work. So it just requires a little bit of experimentation, and you can see that DID's output is not exactly the best possible, but this is a very active field of research, and so I believe the machine learning solution is essentially going to be the final solution where I'm going to be fine tuning a model. But with that, yeah, I feel like week 6 we can call it an end, and hopefully you enjoy this video, everyone. And with that, peace, and I will see you all for week 7 tomorrow, where I'm going to be introducing the project. Bye for now.